Hello student, previous video we completed practice set 1.3. In this video we'll see one next topic. Then we will solve next uh, problem set or practice set. Now here see this topic, what is that? Equation reducible to a pair of linear equation into variables. Means whatever equation is there we have to reduce to pair of linear equation. What is the exactly? While solving the example you will understand better. See here, we can create new variables making the proper change in the given variables, substituting the new variables in the given non-linear equation. Means first is given non-linear equation, so we have to make the linear equation, so we have to substitute new variables. Means whatever previous variable is there, we should not use that, then we should use the new variable. So how it is, because some changes will come in the given non, so we can convert them in linear equation, some proper change. Now see here, variable x and y is given, here also xy, means both equations same variables are given. See 4 upon x plus 5 upon y equal to 7 and 3 upon x plus 4 upon y equal to 5. Now here x and y are the variables, so here now we have to substitute new variables, means we should not repeat this x and y. Now see here, now first these equations we are writing, but here how we are writing? See 4 upon x means what? 4 into 1 upon x. Then again plus 5 into 1 upon y and equal to 7. Same for the second equation, 3 into 1 upon x plus 4 into 1 upon y. Okay, see here equal to 5, means here now 1 upon x is there, here 1 upon x there, here 1 upon y, 1 upon y. So substitute a for 1 upon x, means 1 upon x equal to a, and b for 1 upon y, means new variables we have. Now if you are doing this, so what will come? 4a plus 5b equal to 7, means new equation. Now we got the linear equation. This is the linear equation. Then another equation, that means 3a plus 4b equal to 5. Now you can solve easily because you know that how to solve this linear equation. Now here you can multiply this third equation to by 4, okay, by this 4 and this 4, okay. See we are using this and then exchanging this, means, and here for this equations you are means same coefficient you will get. So same coefficient and same sign is there, so we have to subtract. By 4 you are multiplying, means 16a plus 5b into 4 20b and 7 4s are 28. By 5 you are multiplying this equation, so 15a plus 20b equal to 5 means 25. Now here coefficients are same, so we have to eliminate this b. It is easy to eliminate because same, but how? Now here subtract, because after subtraction this second equation will become minus, so minus, so here plus and minus, so it will get eliminated. So here 16a minus 15a means a, and 28 minus 25 3, a equal to 3. So very simple, a equal to 3 you got. So substitute this equation in third equation. So what is your third equation? 4a plus 5b equal to 7. So a equal to 4 into 3 plus 5b equal to 7. 4 3s are 12. 12 plus 5b equal to 7. 5b equal to 7 minus 12. 5b equal to, here see plus and minus, so subtraction, 12 minus 7 5, and bigger number sign, that means minus 5 will come. B equal to minus 5 upon 5 equal to 5 1s are 5, 5 1s are 5, so it is equal to minus 1. This is the b equal to minus 1. Now you know that a equal to 1 upon x we have taken, no, here a equal to 1 upon x, so a value you know that 3 upon 1 upon x, so cross multiplication, so what will come? 3x equal to 1, x equal to 1 upon 3. This is your answer. Now b equal to 1 upon y, this is also we have substitute this, no, in first starting, so b's value is minus 1 equal to 1 upon y, so cross multiplication, minus 1 into y minus y equal to 1, y equal to minus 1. So x and y, what is the solution? 1 upon 3 and minus 1 is the solution of the given equation. Now next, to solve given equation, fill the boxes below the suitably, but boxes I have not written, directly I am solving. Here equation is given, how we solve previous one, that way only you have to solve. Nothing is very simple. See, that way only you can write. See, 5 into 1 upon x upon, here I have written. See, 1 upon y upon, this here number is not there, so you can write as it is equal to 2. Here also, so 1 upon, and this also you can write 6 into 1 upon, here 1 up 6 into, here you can see 6 into 1 upon x minus 1, then minus 3 into y upon 2 equal to 1. Okay, so here 1 upon x equal to m, another we are taking, and 1 upon y minus 2 equal to n. So what will come? 5n plus n equal to 2. Third, and here see 6m minus 3n equal to 1, that we written here. Now here see what what we can do now. Again here see, here plus is there, minus is there, so we'll bring here 3 coefficient. We want 3 here. Here n is there, no, only n, so 3 plus 3 and minus 3 means n you can eliminate. So here what you have to do, for equation this 3 you have to multiply by 3. So what will come? 3 into 5 15m plus 3n equal to 2 into 3 6, and this your 4 equation is 4 as it is, because here minus. So now plus, if you are adding this, so easily it will eliminate. Here plus and minus is there, so eliminate. 15m plus 6 equal to 20m, and 6 plus is 7, m equal to 7 upon, so 7 1 is 7, 7 3 is 21, m equal to 1 upon 3. Now this value you have to put in equation 3. So what is the 3? Here 5 into m, 1 upon 3 plus n equal to 2. So here what multiplication will come? 5 upon 3 plus n equal to 2, n equal to 2 minus 5 upon 3. Make the denominator same. Here denominator is 1. Now denominator is 3. Here you have to multiply with, so 2 into 3 6 minus 5 upon 3, n equal to 1 upon 3. Now you know that we have taken 1 upon m, 1 upon x minus 1 equal to m. So m is value, so 1 upon x minus 1 equal to m value is 1 upon 3. So cross multiplication, so x minus 1 equal to 1, because 1 is there, and 1 into 3 3, x equal to 3. This minus 1 we are transposing, become plus. 3 plus 1 means x equal to 4. This is the answer. Then another 1 upon y minus 2 equal to n. So 1 upon y minus 2, m value is 1 upon 3. So y minus 2 equal to 3, cross multiplication. Y minus 2 equal to 3, y equal to 3 plus 2, y equal to 5. So here x and y value we got, that is the 4 and 5. So very simple. Next video we'll see the practice set 1.4, depends on this introduction or for this explanation. So you have to see this video, so easily we can solve practice set 1.4. Please share and subscribe and give your comments. Thank you for watching.